what's up? We are at Umrah, and a lot of you guys that are following Umrah on Instagram and me on Instagram, that you guys already know that. But we are at Umrah, and we didn't vlog our first day because that's when we did our first Umrah together. Inshallah, Allah me accepts it. Ameen. But that's our first Umrah, so we wanted to focus on Umrah, just Umrah, and do that one like completely right. Like hopefully we did it right. And then go on from there, and then we're gonna vlog our entire day.
So we are here at Makkah for 2 days, and then we're gonna go to Medina for
2 days.
2 days, and then the rest of the nights are gonna be here. So total of 10 nights. Inshallah, hopefully it goes out really good. But before we continue, right now we're going for Isha Namaz. And I just want to show you guys the view from our room, which is just mind-boggling.
Amazing.
And so we can see Kaaba from here, and which is like part of the masjid, which was really cool for me, as you can see over here. Just wanted to let you guys know what's happening. So today is our second day. So from now on, we're gonna keep you updated what's going on.
We'll definitely bring you guys along and gotta hit it, inshallah, when we're climbing it.
Yeah.
Hopefully. I did it once, so I have already done Umrah with my family before marriage. This is the first time doing it with Umar, so I'm like,
she's
so excited.
She's trying to teach me every place. Like,
this
is that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna leave all the tips and tricks down below. Just something that me and him thought that if you guys do Umrah or Hajj, inshallah, then you guys should keep in mind what to bring and stuff like that. But I just want to mention one real quick thing. I made a book. I made a little book, Umrah book, and I think that's really important. Even you guys can even find books that are already made, obviously, like the steps and the surahs and duas and to say during it. And so I made my own homemade book, but inside the book at the end I also wrote duas that other people told me to dua for them, so I don't forget. Because when you get here, your mind goes blank completely. You think you know all the duas and stuff, but no, your mind goes blank. So it's really smart to have just write down the duas and stuff like that. So I wrote like, Mama, she made this dua, Papa made this dua, this Umar made this dua. So I'll just write everything and just read it while I'm doing tawaf, while I'm doing Umrah. So yeah, I think that's a really cool
really
helpful trip.
Yeah, definitely.
Tip.
So before coming to Umrah, I had no idea that we're gonna go bald. I thought I'm just gonna trim it, but it turns out the first time if you do Umrah, you have to go bald. That's why I'm bald, and that's why I have the turban on.
That's why you need to show it.
We can't take it right now. So we hear that's on. Let's go. No, we can't. Later.
You're the reason my life's worth living. You're the reason I'm alive. I'd be lost without you. You're the reason that I strive. You're my destiny. You're my reverie. You're the reason that I breathe. You are all that I believe. Ilahi, 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 Mola. Ilahi, 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 Mola.
Guys, I just want to say I'm so honored and I feel so lucky to be here, and I hope everyone that's watching gets to come here once in their life at least, because it's amazing and it's beautiful. Okay guys, so we are in Medina right now, and I know we haven't been vlogging much because we've been running around a lot, so yeah.
And because I'm Tekliya.
Tekliya? That's bald.
It's because I'm bald.
For those of you
that's
that
why I don't feel like taking out camera and vlog.
Yeah. Oh, we already see it from here.
Oh, nice. Heard so much about these
umbrellas. So why are you eating that?
Oh, sorry.
Guys, look at the way he put a scarf on. It's so funny.
Oh yeah, I don't know what happened to me here. It's really hot, so... Oh
my god, you guys saw it. His bald head.
I totally forgot.
Let's do an instant replay right now.
You are the best of mankind. Muhammad, khayru khalqillah. Sallu chosen one. صلوا على رسول.
We are going to Hira, and do you want to quickly tell them what it is?
It's the place where the Quran was first revealed, and Angel Jibreel came to Prophet Muhammad there, and he used to just go there to meditate.
Sorry. Yeah, keep going. So basically, there are a lot of history in it, and I'm pretty sure you can find it everywhere. But for now, we're going to see that location where the first revelation came down to, and it's a mountain. And as you can see, I'm trying to catch my breath. This is the mountain that we're gonna climb. So this is my dad, and he's trying to convince us that it's not worth it. But us being adventurous couple.
You being adventurous.
How do I show how steep this is? How do I show this? Look.
Sitting here on this mountain, I'm thinking about your creation. It's so beautiful out here.
But be careful. मजे के साथ, प्यार के साथ.
ऐसे सीधा अंदर जाए बाबा.
सही है. वालेकुम अस्सलाम शेख.
बत्ती जला रहे.
कोई आ रहा है.
तुझे दे दो अल्लाह तुमको बेटा दे इंशाल्लाह.
Ameen.
नहीं छोड़.
Right here. It's a simple thing. Use the flash though.
I'm sorry.
Why are you so scared? Okay. I'm trying. Wait, what happened? You good?
Go, I'll give you light.
Then why are you just making and ooh? Huh? कोशिश में लगे हैं. Easy है ना भाई? सही है. किस तरह लिए ना ये? Keep going. You got this. पतला आदमी है फिर भी नखरे करता है. Keep going. Why are you so scared? They're scaredy pants. You're scaredy pants. Oh.
अब मैं एक आइडिया बताऊं.
हाँ जी.
बजाज के सीढ़ी से जाएंगे, यहाँ से जाओगे जल्दी पहुंच जाओगे.
जंप मारते हैं.
Within 3 minutes.
Alright, please subscribe to this channel because we do these kind of trips a lot. So if you're not part of the UsheZ family, please, I invite you, I encourage you, I motivate you. Please go ahead and do that right now.
Because it motivates us.
Definitely. And all the comments that people do, yes, that makes our day. Like legit, we smile.
Actually sit there and just read it and like show each other and smile.
Yes.
It feels amazing.
Yes, very
Thank
amazing.
you guys to those of you guys who commented and keep commenting.
Yeah, please continue supporting us. And we're gonna go from here because we still have a long journey down, as you can see over here.
Hey guys, so this is the next morning and right now we're going to Kabutar Chowk. It's called Kabutar Chowk. It's where all the pigeons are, and we're just gonna give them dana, which is pigeon food, seeds I think. And this here is my breakfast.
After breakfast. So we just came out of breakfast and she has a breakfast still. So
no, actually
just for yourself.
I didn't eat that much, so this is my breakfast now. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my breakfast with the kabutar breakfast. But that doesn't make sense. But today our plan is to go to Ziyarat, like other places. Like yesterday we went to Hira.
Whoa. Alright, go. Thoda aage. Okay, sige, lalo.
It's taking my breath away. I'm so blessed out here today. Yeah. Allah, 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 Allah. I see the sun, the stars, the moon. I join them all in praising you. Allah, Allah, Allah.
It looks so cool. What's going on, everybody? This is our look for today, and we're gonna explain a little bit more of what it means. And by what it means, I mean, what do I mean by that? Wait, we have to go all the way there. What do I
It
mean?
means that this abaya that he just bought, people wear this in Dubai, right? It's
Yes.
supposedly like made in Dubai and all that. And this,
You know how people wear suit and tie in America and stuff like that? So this is like one of those business casual or professional outfit, right?
yeah. And I'm just wearing white to match him. There's no reason.
Today is our last day, and it's just a very, very beautiful sight. And I'm sure when I'm looking at it right now, I'm sure that we're gonna miss this. And who knows when we're gonna come back here. So look at this sight. This trip was amazing. It's one of those long trips that we had, right? It's 10 days. It was a long trip, but we're gonna make one video only, and sorry if we couldn't take you guys along with every single thing, but we did a lot of things. But again, you know, there are a lot of places that you're not allowed to take cameras there, and also it just didn't feel right to take out the camera and record and vlog and blah blah blah. At that time I just wanted to be there. We just wanted to be there and, you know, pray and do what we had to do. But there were times that we wanted to take out camera and vlog. So I hope you guys like it. But yeah, a lot of effort goes into this, but I enjoy it. So if you guys like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not part of UsheZ family right now, go ahead and subscribe.
Now we're just gonna give you a montage that like
The whole highlight of this trip.
a highlight of this trip that we were able to do, but it's not much.
Yeah,
But I
whatever.
hope you like it still.
They're gonna like it. Pretty sure you're gonna like it. So here's the montage. You ready? Here it is.
You're the reason my life's worth living. You're the reason I'm alive. I'd be lost without you. You're the reason that I strive. You're my destiny. You're my reverie. You're the reason that I breathe. You are all that I believe. Ilahi, 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 Mola. Ilahi, 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 Mola. हो मलंग में जिंदगी की राह चल चला है खुदा एक तेरा मेरा है एक फलसफा खाना बदोश हूँ मदहोश हूँ तेरे इश्क में मैं शराबूर हूँ इलाही 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 flying, I'm alive.